In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Taobao into English step by step. Taobao is one of the biggest online shopping platforms in China, but the website and app are mostly in Chinese. If you don't understand the language, it can be difficult to navigate. Don't worry, there are simple ways to switch it to English, or at least make it easier to use. Let's get started. Open Taobao website or app. First, go to the official Taobao website on your browser or open the Taobao app on your phone. If you're using the app, make sure you have the latest version installed. Using browser translation website. If you're shopping on Taobao using a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you can easily translate the whole site. When you open Taobao, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. Chrome will automatically change the Chinese text into English. Tip: you can also set Chrome to always translate Chinese websites automatically, so you don't need to do it every time. Using the app. The Taobao mobile app doesn't have a built-in English language option, but you can still use translation tools. For Android users, Google Translate has a feature that allows you to translate text within apps. For iPhone users, you can use the translate option by copying text. Use Taobao Global Alternative. Another option is to use Taobao Global or AliExpress, which are international versions of Taobao designed for global shoppers. These platforms are already in English and support international payment methods and shipping. Navigating after translation. Once the site or app is translated, you can browse categories, search for products, and add items to your cart much more easily. Some words may not translate perfectly, but it's enough to understand product details and make purchases. Extra tips. Always double check product descriptions, since machine translation can sometimes be inaccurate. If you're unsure about a product, copy the text and paste it into Google Translate for a more accurate translation. Consider using Taobao agents. These are third-party services that help international buyers purchase from Taobao in English. And that's it. That's how you can change Taobao into English and shop more comfortably. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share,